Just couldn't get that last bit of the sugya in under the wire, so here we are on Lamed Vav Amud Bet with the conclusion, the maskana of what the halacha is in Shomer shemasar l'shomer. Amar Rava, Hilchita, the law is Shomer shemasar l'shomer chayav, that if a shomer gives to another shomer, he becomes obligated in whatever happens to the next, in the possession of the second shomer. As Rav Yochanan said, and that's lomi baya shomer sachar shemasar l'shomer chinam de girue gar ala shmirato. That's whether he gave it to a worse shomer where the shmirah became less. Ela afilu shomer chinam shemasar l'shomer sachar chayav. Even if he gave it to a paid shomer, which is better than he was, he is still chayav to pay if something happens to it. Mai ta'ama, what is the reason? De amar lei, because the owner can say to him, At mehemnat li bishvu'ah, you are believed to me when you take a shvu'ah. I trust you when you swear that you were not chayav on what happened. Heich, the other guy, lo meheman li bishvu'ah, he is not believed to me with a shvu'ah. So the conclusion is, shomer shemasar l'shomer is chayav, like Rav Yochanan, because the owner can say, I believe you when you swear, I don't believe the other guy when he swears. Finished.